Want to feel renewed, rejuvenated, special this holiday season? Then log on to 94.7thewave.com and enter to win the ultimate holiday pampering experience at Glen Ivy Hot Springs Spa. We'll be choosing lucky winners every day. You can also give the gift of a $100 Glen Ivy gift card for only $75. That's right now, for a limited time, you can buy a $100 Glen Ivy gift card for only $75. Make everyone in your life feel special with a Glen Ivy gift card. Call 888-GLEN-IVY or visit glenivy.com to buy yours now, but hurry, this special offer is limited. Este Día de Padres disfrutan todos con regalos como polo t-shirts para caballero Basic Edition, taladros Craftsman y parrillas Kenmore. Todos salen ganando a precios Kmart. Not just smart, es Kmart smart. Do you want to just get your home sold? Glenn Petone understands the value of Las Vegas. Give him a call, 498-4111, or visit glenpetonehomes.com.